Hey everyone, welcome to the zero video of the course. So in this video, I'm going to tell you what I'm going to cover in this particular course. Okay, so that if you want to jump around in the videos, you can do it really easily, or you know some topics, then you can skip it. So that's why I'm giving you all content that I'm going to cover in this particular video. Now, I hope you can see my screen. On my screen, there is a one chart, or you can say map that I have created, in which all the topics I'm going to cover in the course are already there. Now, it doesn't necessarily mean that one topic name equals to one video. It might be possible that one topic name equals to 6 videos, right? So please keep in that mind. Now, in this particular topic or map of this topic, I try to put every single thing that I can remember while designing this particular course. But there is a chance that I might have forget something. So whatever I forget, I will just add that in the running of the course, right? So for example, I have recorded the video like the creating intermediate fishlet like until this, right? And after that I feel like, okay, here I want to add one topic that might be important and that will definitely help to developers. So definitely I am going to add that particular topic there. Okay, so this map is going to change a little bit, and in case if you have a suggestion, you can tell me also and I will modify the map accordingly. Now, if I talk about the whole course content, then it's mainly divided into the 5 categories, okay, or 5 parts. As you can see in the video, first part is in the black, yellow, then blue, green, and then red. And obviously there is one sixth part also which is in the green that I will cover in the end. So what is the first part? First part is the introduction. Now don't get confused. Introductions means like introduction to the course. No, in the introduction section, all the basics are covered that you need to have in order to understand the further course. Okay, for example, basic concept of the reverse proxy, domain DNS server, Cloudflare, Evilpunch server setup, dashboard walkthrough, and creating the sample fishlet or running the sample fishlet. So these are the absolutely necessary things that you have to have knowledge in order to understand the further part, right? So that is covered in the basics. Then there is a development. So in the development section, all the things are covered which will need you to learn how to create the fishlet and how to use it properly. Okay, that is covered in the development part. Right now I'm not going to tell you the name of the each topic. You can just go ahead and read the names of the topic right here. Then there is a blue section, section number 3, in which I'm covering the modification of the source code. So you might be thinking that, okay, we already know by section 2 how to create a fishlet. Why we need to learn how to modify the source code? Because each website has a different security level, each website has a different architecture. So it might be possible that the tool we have designed, it is not compatible with that particular website, or it is not working as expected for that particular website or certain website. So in that case, you need to tweak a little bit in the tool, or you need to add some functionality in the tool. I don't know, you might need to do something new idea that you have, right? So that's why there is a section for understanding and modifying the complete source code, and at the end of that, creating the advanced level fishlet. So in that particular advanced level fishlet, uh, okay, what is the difference between intermediate level fishlet and advanced level fishlet? So intermediate level fishlet, in which I am talking about what you can do with the fishlet with already knowledge that you have. But in the advanced level fishlet, I am going to show you, in case you don't know nothing about that particular website, and that particular website has I don't know, different architecture, different security design, or whatever, but still how you will be able to create that fishlet, right? So that's a advanced part of the fishlet. Now there is obviously the production part. So in the production part, it is not only necessary to learn how to develop it and how to do it, but in the production part, we need to learn how to do it in the proper production way. Okay, so some people think, okay, right now we have the knowledge how to create and how to deploy and everything, okay, but they lack the knowledge of how to run in the production. So that's why for certain period it will run, but after that they will face some issues, right? So yeah, all of those topics will be covered into the production part. And obviously there is a troubleshooting part in the fifth. Okay. So why I have added in the troubleshooting part? Because if you check a lot of courses on the internet for different topic, then you will find no one is adding such part as a troubleshooting part or something, right? Why I am adding that? Because see, we are working with the tool which is quite versatile, which will be constantly getting updated. So there will be some minor here and there changes. Because of that, you might face some issues. And every time you face the issue, you will get confused. Okay, now the tool is not working. Let's leave it, right? Something like that. But that's not the case. If you do little bit troubleshooting, if you do little bit fixing, that tool will work as expected, right? So that's why I added the troubleshooting part, because in the last course also, like the Evangenics course that I have recorded, so in that course also I felt like I supposed to add troubleshooting part, because a lot of people were asking exactly same question over and over and over and again, right? So yeah, so that's why I thought let's add troubleshooting part, and we will add as many troubleshooting video as possible, so that we cover all possible well-known issues. Okay, now in the last part, which is sixth part, here is a small two green sections, which is resources and the final thought. So in I don't actually count as a part of the course, but hence it is necessary. I am adding into the end part of the troubleshooting. So in this one, we are going to say like share a lot of resources, and I'm going to give my final thought, and basically I'm going to show you the path on which you're supposed to walk. Okay, so yeah, that's all that we are going to cover in this particular course. I hope you like it. In case you have any suggestion that you think which is important but I'm not covering in this one, please let me know. I will modify it and I will update the content accordingly. Okay, yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next